Hi folks, this is Rahul from MySmartPrice, and today we will talk about the Huawei Honor 7. This feature-packed device is priced just above the Rs 20,000 mark and packs in a bunch of awesome features that make it stand apart from the competition. Here's a quick list of things we love about the Honor 7. The Honor 7 has the capability to take some stunning shots in low light conditions. Turn the camera on and select the super low light mode, and preferably use a tripod or a stand to take pictures. You will be amazed with the results. The camera also gets the Cartier lighting mode, a good food mode and a star trade mode, all of which give excellent results. Check it out. The ultra fast fingerprint sensor. Fingerprint sensors have been around for quite some time now. However, after using the one on the Honor 7, most of the others seem too slow to respond. That's right, the fingerprint sensor on the Honor 7 is super quick and opens the phone up in seconds. The dedicated, fully customizable smart key. Notice the little button on the left side of the Honor 7? That is the new smart key which allows you to quickly open an app without going into the menu. The smart key can be pressed once, pressed twice, and also be long pressed, with all three gestures opening up different apps or tools. This is very nifty once you get used to it. The Link Plus feature. The Link Plus feature on the Honor 7 lets the phone automatically connect to a known Wi-Fi network even if the Wi-Fi is turned off. The phone will automatically switch from mobile networks to Wi-Fi networks seamlessly without any user intervention. The phone supports USB mass storage mode. For those of you who are still annoyed about the fact that most Android phones today support only the media transfer protocol, the Honor 7 will come as a boon. The phone supports USB mass storage mode, which means the phone shows up as a normal SD card on your computer. For more details on the Honor 7, watch our quick review by clicking the link below. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.